We at bKL are incredibly proud of the award-winning firm that we've built. We started in 2010, yet we've already created iconic work throughout Chicago as well as throughout the world. Having the diversity of cultures and thought process and technical versus design is all enriching.
We attract the best clients because they work with us, they meet our folks, and they understand just how incredibly talented our team is.
We build a team that works really well together with our consultants and our clients, and we build a reputation that we do great work.
bKL's had the opportunity to work on some amazing projects on amazing sites. We welcome and even pursue that responsibility.
It's our task and our mission to attach a visionary concept to really create a piece of architecture.
It's forward-thinking and exciting, but it's also respectful and responsive to its own context and community.
What's left in our city and our communities is there for a long, long time, and it needs to stand the test of time. This is Tom, and on behalf of all of us at bKL, please know that this recognition by our peers at AIA is extremely meaningful. We must acknowledge our clients and collaborators and express our gratitude for their support. I could not be more proud of our incredible team, who each, without exception, have dedicated themselves to their craft with passion and dedication. Inclusion has been integral to our being from the outset. In that spirit, please accept our heartfelt thanks.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.